Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another video. Okay, it's your girl Renee, and y'all, we're back with well, I don't even have I done a cooking video, meal prep with me. It's been some time, y'all. Okay, but anyways, today for the meal prep for the week, this will last me about 3-4 days. I'm gonna be making some teriyaki chicken, rice and green beans, as well as some salmon and some broccoli. So I got my salmon from Trader Joe's. If you watch my Trader Joe's haul, I'll link it down below. They have the best price salmon in the game. Maybe besides Costco, they probably got a little bit better of a deal because it's a bigger. But Trader Joe's is the most affordable place I have found fresh salmon. Anyways, I am starting by just rinsing off my salmon here. I'm going to sear it in a pan. The seasonings I use is very simple: salt, pepper, garlic powder, the garlic and herb Mrs. Dash, and I think I use some Tony's too. But honestly, it's whatever you like. I make salmon so many different ways. So I have another recipe on my channel when I made this like teriyaki style, I don't even know what to call it, brown sugar glazed salmon. There we go. There's a brown sugar glazed salmon. I will try to find that video and link it down below as well. I posted that video over like 2-3 years ago, so I will have to do some searching. But anyways, in my pan, I'm going to put some oil, some olive oil, and some butter. The butter really helps the salmon not dry out, and it just gives it a little bit more flavor. So that is that. You see now I'm getting all my seasonings together for that. And y'all, this meal prep should take you no longer than 35 minutes. Really like 25 to 30 minutes. So that's why I enjoy making this meal as well. It's good, it's quick, it's easy, and you don't get bored with it so quickly. I like to interchange my meals also for lunch and dinner. So I don't put my meals in like, I don't prep them for the week like, okay, today I'm going to have salmon, broccoli, and rice. Like, I don't do that. I kind of just have it in their own bowls, like the salmon its own, broccoli in its own, rice in its own. And that way I can like kind of mix up the meals as I go. You guys will see at the end what I mean more so when I say that, if you guys aren't understanding. I was actually looking for the lemon pepper in the cabinet right now as well, but I couldn't find it, so I think that's why I went ahead and just went with the Tony's Creole seasoning and ended up making it like that. And you're going to want to season both sides of your fish. Even though there's skin on the other side of the salmon, even if you're not eating that, the flavor just sinks into the fish, you know, more when you season both sides. So season both sides because we like our food seasoned over here. We don't want no bland food. So here you'll see me mixing the olive oil and the butter. And with the olive oil, we're not frying the salmon, okay? So we don't want too much going on with the fried, okay? Here are the green beans that I'm using from Trader Joe's. I was looking to see if they were the microwave in a bag kind. They are not. However, the broccoli is the microwave in a bag kind. And y'all, I love me a microwave in the bag broccoli, okay? You just clip the little end, put it in the microwave for 3 minutes, and you're literally good to go. Season it up when it's done, pour it in a bowl, season it up. You're super good. So while I'm letting that broccoli, you know, do its thing, I'm gonna start on the green beans that are not the microwave in a bag. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the olive oil and the butter. I'm gonna put it in another pan, and then I'm also gonna add a little bit of water to the pan with the green beans as well. Also, I am flipping the salmon. The salmon, you're going to want to cook it for about 6 to 7 minutes on each side, just depending on how big your salmon is. You do not want it to dry out. So really like 6 minutes. All right, I am going to start taking the salmon out now. It should be done. So I'm just showing y'all what it should look like in the pan. Had a little dance break right here. Y'all, make cooking fun. Cooking is fun for me. I enjoy cooking. I mean, obviously I get lazy sometimes too, don't get me wrong, but overall I definitely enjoy cooking. And y'all, the salmon came out so perfectly golden bronze on the outside. It tasted so good. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just rinse out my pan and stuff real quick and prep for le chicken. So with the chicken, I am just doing even more simple seasonings. Literally salt, pepper, garlic herbs by Mrs. Dash, and garlic powder and onion powder, because for the teriyaki chicken, the sauce has so much seasoning in it already that I'm not trying to overdo it. And again, make sure you season both sides of your chicken. And for the chicken, I'm not going to put butter in the pan. I'm just putting some olive oil. Again, we're not frying the chicken. We're more so searing it, pan frying it. So, not too much oil. And y'all, excuse my hair, okay? Listen. Braid base gone. Okay, it's time to take these bad boys out. I didn't know I had re-angled the camera incorrectly, and I was not going to film this video again. Okay, this is the sauce I'm using. It's the stir-fry sauce from Trader Joe's. So about when the chicken is about 95% cooked, I take it out the pan and I cut it up into like chunks. And you could choose to cut it up before or after. I don't know why. Sometimes I just like to have it. I like to cut it up halfway, but honestly, it is adding an extra step. I definitely could have cut it up beforehand, but that's all right. And now I'm just pouring this, put all the chicken back in and pouring the sauce. I'm trying to get all that sauce. So I just put like a little bit of water, shook up the bottle, and then just poured it. And then you just want to get that mixed up nicely in there. And then the beans should just be just about done. So I'm just mixing them up here, making sure those are all good. Yep, they're done. I'm just pouring out the excess water and pouring it into a pan. A bowl. And I'm seasoning the green beans with salt and pepper and Mrs. Dash. And I'm going to shake it up real good. I just literally put the top on and shake them, and they come out perfectly seasoned. And pretty much there you have the meal. So I just put the chicken in a bowl as well. And this is what I mean about, like, I like to have things kind of just separated and I can kind of mix as I go. This meal, like I said, lasts about 3 days, and that's sharing between myself, my mother, and sometimes my grandmother will eat some. But yes, definitely between 2 people, this is enough for about 3 to 4 days, lunch and dinner. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.